well, look who we have here. Me and you. You're my boo. I need to start off this video by saying, I have had too much caffeine. I had a matcha this morning. I had a Celsius that has 200 milligrams of caffeine, which I forget about. And then I started drinking a coffee, and so I'm a little... I honestly feel like I'm drunk. Not drunk. I feel like I'm tipsy right now, which is really weird, so... Anyways, so we're gonna do some outfits today, and let's hope that I get through it because I'm so antsy. I don't even want to do this because I'm just like... Look how cute my nails are before we get into it. Aren't they cute? All right, let's go. Dude. Invite me to your all white party. But how cute is this? This is the cutest little set. I got this from Nasty Gal, you guys. This was $5 for this set. So cute. Just these cute little terry cloth shorts. They're a little, you know, but I love it because I can, anyways, comfortable. And then it came with this matching down button up little cropped guy. I love it. This makes me feel like I need to be on a golf course or, you know, in the Hamptons with my rich friends. I got my Air Forces on. I just feel like that was just like my cutest white shoe, you know? Then I have a swim top on actually, but I just think it looks cute as a little bra top because it's sporty, it's ribbed. Why am I out of breath? I am not out of breath. I am full of breath. I'm full of air. There's so much air inside of me. And then I have all my gold jewelry on. What I love about this is I could like make it cute and just like, oh my God, yes, duh. Like that. Or I could like roll these back and like pull this up like this where I'm more like mommy mode and I'm at the barbecue. I'm like, what do you need? Who wants help here? Who needs me? I am literally shaking in my Air Forces over here. In the Air Force Ones. You know what I mean? Like, look how cute this is. Is this cute? I need to drink some water, you guys. I think I need to drink some water. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm good. And on to the next look, baby. This is probably one of my favorite outfits. I wear it all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, you should. If you don't, I've got these glasses from UV. I can't think of the name right now. I wear them all the time. Like half of my sunglasses are from them. UV. I'll link them below. Then I have this giant orange shirt from the boys section on boohoo, or the men's section on boohoo. But this is the back of the shirt. Why is this the back? Because then the front is just orange? That's so boring. I wanted this on the front, so I wear it backwards. I'm not kidding. You can see, that's where the tag is. Then I just have all my jewelry on. Just some black biker shorts and some black shoes to match. Little Halloween-y, yeah, but hey, baby. At least caffeine makes me fun, you know? The vibe be like, yeah. Cool. So, there you go. I like it. Boohoo. Old leggings I cut into shorts, Forever 21. I think also Boohoo. All right, let's do the next outfit. Hey, this outfit was cuter in my head because I like when girls wear little bodycon dresses with the sneakers. This is from Forever 21. My sneakers are Adidas. This thing is Nasty Gal, but this just looks, this outfit was so much cuter in my mind. Like, I was like, oh, that for sure. Do I need a shorter jacket? Hold on. Oh, now this, I can get with this. Except this is like too much fabric in the middle, so it's all bunched in the middle, so I just look like a, I need a bodycon dress that fits me better. You get the vibe. You know what I mean? And I know that I could pull this down, but then it just makes it too long. This one it's pulled down though with some heels is cute, but not with sneakers. Anyway, so I guess it's not my favorite, but I feel like the accessories and the hair down with the bag makes it so much cuter, right? I need a different dress because what is this? That's my challenge by the end of the summer. It's to find a way to make a cute dress with sneakers cute. Okay. Here's an outfit I like. Just a cute little summer moment. I live in the desert, so wearing a bikini top is my favorite top to wear. Just some cute little denim shorts. I have an extra button on them because my weight fluctuates. So sometimes I need it smaller, sometimes I need it as it came. The top is from Nasty Al. The shorts are from Topshop. This is from Shein, and it's like my favorite oversized shirt ever. It's so nice, it's so big. I need to iron it. I don't own an iron, can you believe that? Anyways, but it covers everything I love. And I just throw on my Air Forces with it. You guys, that's one of my things right now is I need cooler sneakers. This is gonna die, my camera's gonna die. Okay. Also, the caffeine is making my heart race. All right guys, I'm back. How freaking cute is this outfit though? Like, this is cute. Just saying, it's just so my vibe. Like, this is the energy that I like. I want to wear a cute outfit, but I like to have something that I can either cuddle up in if it starts getting too windy or starts getting cold. You know what I mean? It just gives me more of like a hot girl outfit, right? It's like, oh my god, all my skin showing. But then I'm like, cool girl at the same time, hot cool girl vibes. That's what I want. That's all I want to be. And my final and probably favorite outfit, I am obsessed with big tees. I'm obsessed with baggy jeans, and them together, I'm just like, I feel like my sister. My sister dresses like this, and she's cooler than me, so I feel like her. I have my Tupac shirt on. He, probably one of my biggest crushes in life. Dude, he is chef's kiss. So I had to get a shirt with his face on it. If someone has a crush on you and they won't wear you on their shirt, is it really a crush on you? No. Then I have these jeans. These are from Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing makes the best jeans. I'm telling you, I have 3 pairs from them. I live in them. But I love these. It's just boyfriend jeans with the rips. Again, with the Air Forces. I need cooler sneakers. The thing is, I've been looking at sneakers, but I can't decide what colors I want because I like so many of them. I believe this is from the men's section at Boohoo. I believe. I got it in a large. And then these cute little glasses are from UV. I like this with my hair down, but you can always throw your hair up in like a little clip or something, do a slick bun, something cute. This is also, I feel the coolest, but I'm the coziest as well. Cutie Cozy Town, USA. And I live here. I love it. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. Let me know what other outfits or style videos you would like to see from me. I was thinking maybe an outfit of the week. It's on my list. I haven't done one of those in years, so wouldn't it be fun? Let me know what else you would like to see. I love you guys so much. I am sweating and I need to go chug some water and like eat a sandwich and try to get this caffeine to calm the heck down. So I love you. I'll see you very soon. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to become a part of our internet family if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all of that. Everything's linked below, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.